Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is March 2024, Part 5. This the third week, I believe, of March. We're looking at D&D STL, Warhammer proxies, and figures. And also, yeah, if there's any Patreon you guys may look at, please let me know. I know that a lot of people are kind of happy to, I make this kind of video, look through a whole bunch of other STL files on Patreon that they are out. I'm trying to look at some good Kickstarters right now. I think I found a few. I'll probably make a separate video for that. But yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down below. And let's get started. So we got Down figures. For Patreon. I know they do a bonus one for Final Fantasy because Rebirth came out like a few weeks ago. They got Cloud Bike out. And let's see, as a Leisure, Violet, Evergarden, and they got Zach out as well. I don't think I get the full thing for Zach. Yeah, Zach and his figures, and the full set Final Fantasy bonus pack for this month. So if you're interested on getting all the Final Fantasy characters, pretty much that'll be it for it. But we have Gremlin, Legolas, Red, Bioshock, Psyduck, and Ramonia. Those are your bonuses and your Final Fantasy in your last month. All together for this month for $10. So that's a freaking good ass deal. So if you want some figures, go for it for this thing. OX3D is another figure as well. We got, let's see here, the Mech Priestess, Cinderella Waifu for it. Mech Priestess, Lewd Mech Priestess. Android 18 as well. I don't know what this month's going to be. This one without the X, this will look like for it. Android 18. Let's see here. Is that what those three are going to be for? Okay, so we have Shigo, Android 18, and Tifa Bunny suit. That's going to be coming out this month. So I don't know what these extras are. Probably bonuses. I really don't know. But we can get the we'll have this for March. This is loyalty. That'll be for this month as well. So I don't know. Station Forge Warhammer proxies. Very good Warhammer proxies. I'll say that they still keep making a whole bunch. Remember, all the links will be down below for you guys to look at. We got the Scavenger Halfling. I think this is from part of the Mechanicus, I believe. I believe. I don't know. I don't play with Mechanicus for it, but if you do, let me know. Corrupted Archon. So it's going to be a Demon Prince or whatever you want to make it to be. Oh, I think that was from last month. But like I said, there's going to be a lot more of these coming out. Like in a couple days, I'll bring another one. I mean, there's like a whole shitload list of this stuff that's coming out for it. Okay, Hell's creator. Yeah, for it, we have the sorority sisters sisters of battle coming up. Second character is, I do not know who she is. I think she's from Cyberpunk. Yeah, Cyberpunk Rogue. Okay, I have the game that I play out. We got Howson coming in as well. Howson's good too. War miniatures, D&D miniature figure. And for March, we got the Lord of the Rings, old school like chainmail style figures. So that's actually pretty cool to have. I will see. I like to have the halflings. I don't care about the whole bunch of other stuff at the top. I need halflings and gnomes. I need more of those. I would say. Penske Miniatures, another award tabletop style. I think they actually do stuff with one page as well. They do a lot of sci-fi and other stuff. You can play on your table game. Some of these you can actually do proxies for your actual games too. for it. So we got a sci-fi release for March. Looks like we have Aliens and Terminators coming in for it. Union Armed Force. Got the Assault Mech. Yeah, that's a weird looking alien with like a mantis hands for it. Colonial Assault Mech. More Colonial. Glory for the Clan. Plasma Pistol. Like some of these might be a good proxy to have, I was saying, but not all of them. But if you want to play this style of actual game, they actually have the rules in the PDF for everything and the stats for them as well. If you're interested of getting them in a lot of the ways for this, see compatible with one-page rules. So that's actually a good thing. So one-page rules is another one. I think we already looked through that a while ago, but yeah. Let's see here. This will be the bonus ones, I believe, that comes with it. Duck Warriors. And we got the Omega Titan Sentinel. We already got that. Okay. March Sci-Fi. I'm trying to look for the Cyberpunk. I don't think Cyberpunk has came up because they do Cyberpunk ones as well. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think about that, and I'll be right back. Next is France Quiz, another figure one as well. I think we are doing the Dream Goal Zatanya, I believe it's the next one. Oh, 03 Days winner is coming. I think this is also Catwoman as well. That's coming as well. So yeah, that will be it. News. I'll read that later. Geomach, another Warhammer proxies for Age of Sigmar and 40k. So we got the dwarves. I think this is for the old world dwarves and the Tomb King as well. So there you got that. And the sci-fi preview, we have a Dreadnought. I think this is from the Dark Angels and a Leaper. Don't know what the fuck that is. Let me see if we can find fantasy previews for us. Looks like a snake with shield, a griffin. Yeah, Bretolians for these as well. So we are getting some old worlds. And the sci-fi ones. So I got some Chaos, Raven Lords, Dreadnoughts, and a Leaper, Land Raider, and some Necrons. Some more Necrons looks like it. So we won't know the full thing, I don't believe, until but the links should be down there in the below for you guys when you guys are ready for that. Next is Crippling God Foundry, another D&D one as well. And they also do sci-fi ones as well. I think we got Rise of the Blood Queen. So we got some I think vampires and demons, I believe. And it looks like we got some Necrons too. So yeah, some vampires, demons, some terrains, and looks like we got some Necron proxies as well for you guys. So that should be pretty cool. And some throwbacks. Oh, these would be good one for Curse of Strahd campaign welcome pack. And there you have it. Next one is Cal 3D, another figure as well. We got Princess Mononoke. Once it loads. So, yeah. Baby Spot Me is like, it fucking out loud for it. There it goes. Princess Mononoke. It's actually pretty good figure. We got the Hulk in gladiator form. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't care about the bust. So we got Harley Quinn and Bishop Morgus. This is Alucard. That's Jinx for it. Every month. That was last month. So the March will be Star Wars Diorama, Hulk, Rami, Leonardo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Jinx, Alucard, Jaina Proudmoore, Lust, Prisma Anoki, and Storm. So that's going to be for March for this month. And this will be the last one for this video. Be Peach figures. So we got Tiamat. You have a 3-month loyalty with her. You can get her. Looks like it. I already got 3 months with them, so I should be good. That's April. Oh, got X23 released. And yeah, these those two. Legion miniature. I think that was short, so I'll do one more. This is a DC and Marvel miniature figures as well. So this is the whole thing you'll get if you pay both of them, but they're separate in half. You got Thanos. That's Omega Red. Raccoon. Ghost Rider. Don't know what the hell that is. It's some type of Spider-Man. Shocker. Forget the dog from the that lives in the moon. Yeah, it looks like Colossal. For DC, I am not going to remember every single one of these. I know this is a God of Apocalypse brother, so some kind of Superman for it. I'm going to have to see it closer by. Huh. That's Captain Marvel. Yeah. I used to know all that. Oh, that's Freakazoid. But I think that's Freakazoid. I don't know. That's not Colossal. That looks like old school Beast. It looks like Omega Red. Not how that thing guy is. Well, anyhow, if you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.